Today we're going to learn about, the topic is all about project dissertation, okay? And uh, my role over here is to simplify the process, to let you know that what are all the things that we teachers are expecting you to do, and how the things can be managed in a very good linear fashion, okay? Like what comes after what, and what is to be done after one step. So I'll break the entire process into small doable steps so that you people will be able to do it properly, okay? Fine. So let's see. Now I guess that you all are worried with regards to project, right? Okay. Can you tell me, are you worried about your projects, DIY projects or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone might
Yes,
be in a
sir.
atmosphere of
Yes, sir.
tension and pressure,
Yes, sir.
confusion. Like, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to select a project? I've never made any project. I've never made any product out of what I've learned so far. How am I going to start with? What platform should I use? All of these questions might be circulating your mind. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
did you saw that the animation that I gave to this text right now, it was circulating, right? So I usually don't use such kind of animation, but I thought that putting this animation to this slide will be more relatable, because this somehow, describes your life, like you're, circling round and round again, through a point, and but still not getting a certain conclusion out of it, right? That is the reason I use this animation, so that I can simply relate your situation right now. Okay, so I want you to be out of this loop of confusion and uncertainty. That is the reason we came over here to gather and to work on this topic. Okay, fine. So since we all are worried about projects, we are going to learn something new today. Okay, and we are going to simplify the process of project dissertation. Okay, now, I know that there are many students over here who are going to work with different levels of project. It can be very hard project, it can be moderately hard project, or it can be very easy project. And the complexity of the technology that they are using can also differ from student to student, right? So if a person is very good in programming, most probably he will be picking up something which is very complex and which can startle the mind of others, right? And if there might be some students who are not too much into programming, so they'll be picking up easy projects, right? So I'm not going to focus on any specific project, but I'm going to explain you the process in general overview. Okay, like no matter what kind of project you are picking up, always these points can be considered. Okay, so I am going to speak about the general process of project dissertation. Okay, not specific to any project title. So the question is, what are we here for? Okay, I have this habit to always set an expectations, so that you get to know that if you spend 1 hour with me, what are all the things that you will understand. Okay, so here are all the things that we are going to go through. First thing is to understand what project is. Okay, this is something that I feel that the students should really know, but they completely go out of the way. They try to think of complex things, and ultimately they forget what is the main motto behind project in TY. Okay, so we'll try to understand that. Okay, second thing is, we'll understand what project is in the perspective of the university. Okay, मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी के नजर में प्रोजेक्ट क्या होता है, ये हम लोग समझेंगे. Fine. Then third thing is, we'll understand how to select a project. Fine. Fourth is, we'll understand whether you should have a partner or not, which is again a question that people usually fail to discuss, usually fail to keep into consideration while selecting their project. That is the reason I thought of highlighting this point as well over here. Okay, fine. So these are all the things that we're going to learn about. Okay,